Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of On Trail. This is part 2 of Sedona Loop, number 2. We're on bottom out. We're heading downhill. Oh man, it's chonky as all get out, but what can you do? Trying to beat the rain back to the truck. We'll see if I get lucky 2 days in a row. So enough jibber jabber. Let's get on with getting on. But before we do, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Let's get going. So already I can see why they call this bottom out. Wow. I'm just... come on. Come on. Legendary. I rolled that edge and ate shit right over the bars. It sucked. Wish I had it on camera. So I might get lit up in the comments, and that's fine. I'll start off by saying I have nobody to impress. I've made my bones. Then I am okay with walking my bike every once in a while. I'm not gonna risk injury to impress anybody or get views or anything like that. So just remember that, guys. You know, if you get injured, number one, you can't be out on the trail riding and having a good time. And number two, what are you really risking it for? Huh? It's not worth it. I'm telling you right now, it's not worth it. I would definitely like to meet the rider that can ride that, though. That would be an impressive showing of skill and agility. All right, my friends, if you made it this far, once again, I'd like to thank you. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video. We're almost done, more than halfway. Got about 4 miles left. It's been a nice change of pace and all the chunk and everything we went through the first part. So, yeah. And looks like we're still beating the rain, which is an absolute win. All right, my friends, we're at the end of the ride. So we began, we end. It was an amazing ride. Thank you so much for making it this far. If you did, like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. Other links down below are social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the devil's work, but we need it to get the word out for Get Out Arizona. Other links are affiliate links, my friend. Make qualifying purchase, we receive a small commission. Helps us out with park passes, gas money, and coffee money, the other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. My friends, I love you to death, seriously. As we look out that gorgeous view, we beat the rain. It's time to get a little food in the belly. But before we do, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others, be amazing stewards on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Seriously, my friends, it doesn't get better than this. Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.